Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use basic Vlookup in Excel, using this small table. Let's see how formula looks like. Equal to. Next comes our Vlookup with opening bracket. Now we need to select the cell for which we want to look for the data. We'll call it lookup value. Now, we will select the complete table from which we want to find the value. Third step comes is the column number we have to type like 1, 2, 3, etc. Sorry for the error, let me fix that. Our formula is incomplete, as after the column number we also need to select 0 and bracket close. This is how Vlookup formula looks like. Always remember as Vlookup will only start looking for value from left to right. Now, we have sellers, what they are selling and how much they sold. Let me add one arrow sign for your reference, as how Vlookup starts looking for value. See, the point I started moving my cursor from is left to right, and that's how Vlookup works. Now, let's pick one seller for calculation. And we will use Vlookup to find what they sold and how much they sold. We'll go with equal to and type Vlookup and tab for opening bracket. My lookup value is D, so we'll select this cell which became my value reference. Put a comma, and select the complete table from which I want to look the fruit he sold. Now comes the column number. Since this is a small data we can see it's column number 2, starting from left to right. I will type 2, comma and type 0 and closing bracket, then press enter. It returned the value orange from the table. Let me just do the numbering for the columns. We'll start from left to right. Let's find out how much quantity he sold. Formula will remain the same as for fruit section. Quantity is the third column in data, so we'll type 3. It returned the value 32 kilograms from the data. What if I delete the cell containing D? Errors came for both fruits and quantity. Let's see if I put some other seller from my table, will it work? Not only it does work, it is also returning fruit which that particular seller sold and the quantity. This is how we can use basic Vlookup. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.